Good morning, aspirants. I hope you are very happy at your home as a COVID 19, a pandemic threat is there. But if we are washing our hands constantly, then we can save from this. I hope my videos are very useful for you in your study. And today I am going to discuss the poem Winter Song by Catherine Mansfield. In this poem, Catherine shows the effect of winter on people. The author seems deliberately looking for summer season as the winter affects the life of every person. She is describing that how winter makes us suffering, creates a problem for beggars, children, and robin birds and to everyone. So she is waiting for summer season. The poem starts with the line, rain and wind. Rain and wind and wind and rain. Will the summer come again? Rain on houses, on the street, wetting all the people's feet, though they run with might and main. Rain and wind and wind and rain. In this stanza, the poet describing that there is all around a constant rain and wind is blowing there. Rain is flowing and wind is blowing there. बारिश हो रही है, हवा चल रही है तेज. क्या कभी सर्दियां वापस आएंगी? Will the summer come again? Rain on houses, on the street. बरसात कहाँ हो रही है? There is a rain on the house, every house. There is a rain in the streets also, wetting all the people's feet. The rain is flowing. That rain makes the people's feet wet. लोगों के पैर क्या हैं? भीग रहे हैं. Though they run with might and main. लोग क्या हैं? अपनी पूरी शक्ति, पूरी स्ट्रेंथ, मेन मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ, पूरी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ भाग रहे हैं. रेन एंड विंड एंड रेन. बरसात ही बरसात है, तेज हवाएं ही हवाएं हैं, चल रही हैं. स्नो एंड स्लीट एंड स्नो. विल द विंटर नेवर गो. What do beggar children do with no fire to cuddle to? Perhaps with now here warm to go, show the sleet and snow. क्या है? चारों तरफ बर्फ गिर रही है. स्लीट मीन्स हाफ फ्रोजन. जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है ना, when there is very cold, at that time half frozen rain is falling. That is called sleet. स्नो हो रही है, स्लीट हो रही है. स्लीट एंड स्नो all are going there. Will the winter never go? क्या कभी भी सर्दियाँ नहीं जाएंगी? What do beggar children do? जो बैगर हैं वो क्या करेंगे? बच्चे जो हैं, जो छोटे गरीब बच्चे हैं, पुअर चिल्ड्रन हैं, वो क्या करेंगे? With no fire to cuddle to. What we do in the winter season, we all like to sit beside a fire, but there is no fire for the poor children. So that they will cuddle to. Cuddle means hug करना. कि वहाँ पे जो है with no fire to cuddle to, गरीब बच्चों के पास, poor children के पास, in the winter season there is no fire so that they can sit beside it. The cuddle means not making a hug to fire, but here cuddle means they want to sit beside the fire so that they can make them warm, but they can't warm themselves. Perhaps with now here warm to go. हो सकता है शायद यहाँ से हर जगह से गर्मी चली गई है. गर्मी क्यों चली गई? Because there is a winter season. Snow and sleet and snow. Why warm has gone? Because there is snow and sleet everywhere. Hail and ice and hail, water frozen in the pail. See the robins brown and red, they are waiting to be fed. Poor dears battling in the gale. Hail and ice and hail. चारों तरफ बर्फबारी हो रही है, ओले पड़ रहे हैं, ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चल रही हैं, कांस्टेंट रेनिंग हो रही है, जिसकी वजह से पानी जो है वो फ्रीज हो चुका है. पेल मीन्स बकेट. बकेट के अंदर वाटर जो है फ्रोजन हो चुका है. सी द रॉबिन्स. हु इज रॉबिन? रॉबिन here represent robin's bird with brown and red because the robin's color is brown and red. The birds who have brown back and red breast, those birds are called robins. They are waiting to be fed. They want to food. They haven't food because of winter season. Their all food which is stored has been gone away. No left. So that's why they want food. The birds, they haven't food for eating. Poor deers, deer heron, poor deers battling in the gale, very strong wind. Gale means very strong wind. The deers all are battle means fighting. They all are battle with the strong wind so that they will live long. Hail and ice and hail. There is all around ice and hail. This poem is written by Catherine Mansfield. I hope you learn it very carefully and this video makes you understand carefully. Thank you.